Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to remove shop address from packing slip. So first of all, you need to log into your Shopify account and then click on Settings. Then click on Shipping and Delivery. From here, scroll all the way down to the packing slip section. Over here, click on Edit, and once you're on this page, make sure to have a backup copy of this template. For that, you simply need to select this whole code thingy and then copy and paste it into a text document. Once you're done with that, scroll down and look for 175th line. Over here, you need to look for shop_address.summary. So what you need to do is delete this line and then click on Save in the top right corner and you're done. Well, that's how you remove shop address from packing slip. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.